Hi friends, she is Neha. She came today for hair weaving, hair extension, and this is her own hair now. Soon we are going to put an hair extension, hair weaving, hair extension. As this is a new process, today in this video we will be showing you how we do hair weaving, hair extension to her. So keep watching the video. Hi friends, this is the first step what we have to do before doing an hair weaving, hair extension. So this is the way we have to do. Make sure it should be equally assigned. So guys, now you can see we have part the hair and we have made a line in line so that we can do an hair weaving, hair extension. In this hair extension we don't use any clip or glue kind of a thing like eye tips, nail tips. This is a new method of making a hair extension. It will be fixed for 3-4 months without any glue or tape or hair extension or a clip. So keep watching the video. So now we have showed you inline, how we have done an inline. So keep watching the video. So now we are doing an hair weaving with the existing hair of her. So just see the process. There is no clip, no glue, no clips. Just with the existing hair only we are doing hair extension. So basically it's a traditional hair way of doing this. Now lot of clients are asking without tape, without glue, without hair clips, we need hair and hair extension. So we have come up with this kind of method. And exclusively only we are doing this kind of thing because it takes time, it takes a lot of time to do it, but still we are giving time to our clients to do this kind of things. As per clients' demand we are doing this. And the person who is doing also has to be expertise in this. Even one mistake, the entire thing, the process may go wrong. So guys, we have done with the layer part, what for the hair weaving, hair extension. Now you can see how we have weaved. With just a thread we have done this. Just ignore the clips which you are seeing. It's only to show you we have kept this clips so that you can easily see that threading, how we have done it. So on this it's just like a track we have done it. On this we will be weaving and hair extension with just thread. So keep watching this video. We will be showing you the next stage what we will be doing in this. So keep watching. So guys, now you can see what we have done a base. We are making it a strong and segregating in line, so that it can be fixed for more days. So the main thing in this is the base should be strong. The base is nothing but the track. The inline thing should be properly done. See, you can see only a thread we are using. There is no clip, no glue, no any kind of a thing. So nowadays lot of people are saying that there is a lot of side effects to eye tips micro ring hair extensions and clip on. It gets lot of pain. In this there is no pain. Pain will be there for 1-2 days, but it's not that painful. So we are segregating the hair in this. Just you can see how fast he is doing. We have come up with a new idea, these kind of things, because a lot of clients are asking for hair extension like this. So we have come up exclusively, only Wig Designs is doing this kind of thing. So keep watching this video. We will be showing you the hair extension, how we will fix it to it. So guys, now just see this. We have done an extra layer to it so that it will be fixed for more days. So this is the way we do the inline for hair weaving, hair extension. Keep watching this video. So guys, see, now you can see that hair extension is being implanted to the base what we have prepared, the inline of the weaving. So now you can see we are weaving the hair extension to the base what we prepared earlier. Now slowly we have to do like this. So here you can see with this hair extension has been in line with that base what we prepared earlier. So we are locking that base to the hair extension firmly. Now you can see clearly. So this is the latest technique what we are following now. So in this, no glue, no tape, as I told you, not required for this. Once it is fixed, it will be fixed for 3 to 4 months on the head. You need not to take it or remove it. It will be fixed to your head. So most of the ladies wants this kind of a hair extension with no maintenance for at least for 3 to 4 months. And this type of hair extension is called hair weaving hair extension. So guys, this is the end result. Now we have done with the hair weaving hair extension. Now you can see the volume has been increased without glue, without tape, without clip. Now you can see once we remove the clips and just see. Now you can see that existing hair has been fallen off to the existing this hair extension. Now it has been mixed to the existing hair along with the hair extension, and you can comb also. You can see now we are combing with the along with the hair extension, so there is no feel kind of a thing that any hair extension is ever there at our head. So this is a new method we are following. Actually this is an old method, but it's a trendy now, so a lot of people asking this kind of hair extensions without damaging their scalp or the existing hair. So if you want any questions, if you have any questions, you can call me on my mobile number, or you want to fix this kind of a hair extension, anytime you can call me. So now you can see a lot of very good hair. Now so you can see the hair has been increased. So just compare with the existing video. Now her hair has been increased. So this is called hair weaving hair extension. So please comment and like and share my video if you like it, and do call me for any inquiry for hair weaving hair extension. Thank you.